that Sharp's got product in the warehouse.
Well, we actually were doing well. You got me the month after we had our first hiccup in September. We left about 100 containers, so just like everyone else, we had 100 containers of products sitting off the coast of Long Beach from the first week of September through the first week of October. So that just got shipped in the past week. So that was our first big hiccup. We face slightly different challenge. On the chip side, we're in a good shape. We're producing product on the A3 side well above our 2019 production levels. The challenge we have is getting more, right? So, the chip companies have a contract. We're part of a larger organization called Foxconn. They buy a lot of chips, so they do have some good clout with the different chip companies. And so we've been able to get what we had committed to as budget and a certain level of growth. On A4, we had made the decision to focus on A3. We started October of 2020, we started redesigning some products that would allow us to take the chips that we put in our A4 and put in our A3, which prevented a lot of our shortfalls. But that means we don't have A4. But for our relative position in A4, we've been a drop in the bucket. I mean, I think even if I put it all in the market, that's like a week of HP. So I don't think that would have made a difference. Our biggest challenge, obviously, is the ports, and I would agree with what both Laura and Jim said. It is not going to get better. It's funny. My grandfather was a longshoreman. He was my idol, and I pretty much curse him out every day. He's looking down at me right now, saying, "One more shot at the Longshoremen Union." But it is a problem. It will take a while, and then once that's done, you got to work your way through the warehousing, and any dealer knows, even your own hiring, trying to get people to work in your warehouses, drivers, things like that is hard. So that's becoming a challenge also. So I agree with the other assessments. It's going to be a year, and I mean a full year before the logjam of the supply chain ends. As far as what we're doing, it was funny, back in April, we did a kickoff meeting for our dealers. Some of you are Sharp dealers. We did a video-based meeting, and we spent about 40 minutes on supply chain. And afterwards, we sent out a survey, and we got negative feedback. And they said, "Why would you waste a kickoff meeting and talk about supply chain and what you're doing logistically?" And we joked, "Well, wait till June, you'll understand why." And we were pretty good up until September, but starting in July, I guess it was, we started sending our dealers by model a 2-month forecast of every model that's coming in. It's a heat map, color-coded, how much inventory we have of every model, and that goes out probably the first week of every month, just so they can kind of plan out what to do. And it's been successful in trying to, if the dealer has a choice, and then sell the one that's available, which prevents the others from running out. So it kind of works very well. So we've been doing that since July, and it's been pretty effective for us.
Yeah, I think you all hit it.